Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good to see you today, Araya.
Thank you, sir.
Are you
Thank
ready
you, sir.
for today's
Of course,
interview?
yes. I'm
Okay,
ready.
let's move into the very first question.
Okay, then.
Would you mind telling me a little bit about yourself?
A little bit more about myself. Okay, sir. First, I'm Gazwan Sabin Darto, and I've born on Jakarta. It's going to be on Condet, Jakarta on Condet, on 2009, November 30. And basically, I'm now still 14 years old because now it haven't been November. And I have a few hobby that I like. Like one of them maybe playing some games or maybe doing some random stuff that I really like. And next, maybe it's going to be okay. I have one siblings there and it's going to be a girl and she's still 7th grade as I remember, and I have been on this boarding school for about 3 years now, and it's been a really great time for me. Maybe on a few years after this, I'm just going to miss this moment. That's all maybe.
Okay. And how's your IT
My
skill
my
before coming
oh
to IDEA?
my IT skill. So basically, I've got a few IT skill before I've come here. My parents have told me that I got some maybe a few good things on IT. When I was still on elementary school, I like to build some things from maybe electronic or what. Like maybe I can fix a few things. It's not going to be any complicated things. It's only like some simple stuff. And after that, after my parents saw that uniqueness on myself, she told me that maybe you should do some robotic stuff. After that, my parents just asked me, would you mind to join some course of robotic? And I said yes. When I joined that robotics course, that's a great thing for me. I've been level 3 or what, I forget on that. And when I joined on IDN, I've seen a few good things. I mean a few advantage after I joined that course. I mean, like first, Scratch is the software that we use when I'm on that course. And second, that robotic stuff that we learn there, it's kind of the same thing as microbit stuff on 8th grade curriculum there. And second, maybe I know a little bit about laptops and phone, so maybe I got little IT basic before I've joined IDN. Okay, so maybe that's all, sir.
Okay. Now I'd like you to tell me about your improvement in IT,
on
English
IT.
Dinia, and Tahfiz since you joined
Since
IDN.
joining. So the biggest improvement that I feel, it's from English. So before I've joined IDN on elementary school exactly, I'm a bit quiet kid there, but because here I then force myself to speak and do those things lah. After that, I've seen really big improvement on my English. Basically on just exactly it's just on speaking things lah. And there, my parents saw a few difference too on me. Like you got some potential on blah 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 blah, and the other. And for IT, maybe of course because IDN is a basic IT school, right? So IT, of course, I've got a lot of improvement since before I've joined. And before on robotic, I just knew this, and on IDN, I can improve a little bit more, and maybe join some competition on robotic, because I don't know why I kind of like robotic than the other curriculum. Then on Dinia, I know a lot of things now about the maybe Siro, Fiki, and Akida that increase my knowledge on Dinia. And Tafis, yes, maybe that's going to be a little bit improvement because on elementary school I've memorized to just there, and now maybe it's improving a little bit, maybe 2.5 or what. And next, IT, maybe we're just going to focus again on English. So after I've seen a lot of improvement on myself, I would like to join a few competition there. And sorry for that, but before, maybe I kind of nervous on something. Maybe let's take an example from Islamic public speaking there. So in 7th grade, I feel like, oh my God, I'm an introvert and I should talk to everyone in front. What kind of things is this? But little by little, or maybe step by step, I feel like talking to someone, oh that's easy, and the other things, okay. So that's the biggest improvement on English, like my confidence and the other. Maybe that's all. Okay, sir.
Okay, that would be all. And next question, it's about your games. And
games.
please tell me in 1 minute about your games you created so far.
So far, I've learned 2 different software, both game developing. Right? First is going to be Scratch, and Scratch for me, it's not going to be that hard. Either Buildbox too. Okay, the second is going to be Buildbox. Buildbox and Scratch have 2 main different things. Like Scratch, it's basically a programming language based on drag and drop. On there, we can create like a few unique things. Like I've seen some Scratch online form that say, oh, this developer can make a 3D based game on Scratch. Even Scratch, it's only a 2D based game developing software. So like you can customize your own imagination on Scratch uniquely and openly, and that's thing. And the difference between Scratch and Buildbox first. Buildbox is a software based on 2D and 3D game things. And if you really want to make some 3D games, you can choose the Buildbox blah blah blah. And if you're only enjoying on 2D game developing, you can focusing on the 2D stuff. And on my own opinion, both of them, it's maybe first time we learn, it's going to be hard. And for my favorite project, maybe the game that I like, it's my improvement on the last Scratch game. It's Bomberman. Okay, so Bomberman is just like we as a cat that can drop a bomb to eliminate some of the enemy, and that enemy is going to be a crab. So from there, we can earn some point after we eliminate some crabs there. And the little bit improvement or editings on that game, like I improve from a cat, I changed that things to a spaceship. After that, from a bomb, I've changed those system to be a missile. And there, it's not going to be only dropping, but I've changed it to be shooting. An enemy is spaceship. It's maybe sounds familiar to an aliens, so I use aliens to be an enemy. That's maybe one of my best project on Scratch. And on Buildbox, there's going to be Ninja Fruities. Okay, so that's all maybe.
Okay, one quote for IDN.
One quote for IDN. Maybe I've built a few mindset from IDN really bigly. Like my parents have told me that you have a lot of potential here. So I really appreciate it. IDN, thank you very much. You've changed me a lot from I'm really being a really quiet kid there on my elementary school. I changed to maybe a different guy, you know. And the other things, maybe I'm so sorry for Aiden if I really do some trouble here or the other things. And maybe a quote for Aiden are a great school, and we can improve ourselves. Like maybe self-improvement, not only self-improvement, like maybe some our knowledge there. So, thank you very much.
Okay, thanks for your participation for today's
You're
interview.
welcome, sir.
Yeah, that would be all. You may
Okay,
close.
thank you, sir. Okay. So, thank you guys for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.